Welcome to AI ConvoCast, where we bring you the latest in AI and tech innovation. Quick housekeeping. Check out the affiliate links in our description. Using them supports the show, and please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Let's jump right in. Today, we will be covering Adobe's latest Firefly AI upgrades announced at Max, Foxconn's billion-dollar investment in AI computing infrastructure, and the launch of Humain One, a new AI operating system from Saudi Arabia with global ambitions. Adobe has just unveiled a suite of powerful AI updates at their Max event, including the 5th generation of their Firefly image model and new audio tools. The Firefly Image Model 5 enters public beta today with significantly improved image generation capabilities and a new prompt-to-edit feature that streamlines the editing workflow. Adobe's CTO Ely Greenfield explained the philosophy behind these tools, saying they act like capable teammates, so you can accomplish more. What's particularly interesting about this release is that Adobe is opening up their ecosystem. Users can now select partner models from Google and OpenAI directly within Photoshop and Firefly interfaces, giving creators more flexibility in choosing the right AI for specific tasks. Beyond images, Adobe is expanding into AI audio with two new tools in public beta: Generate Soundtrack and Generate Speech. Generate Soundtrack allows creators to produce custom music for their projects with simple text prompts, while Generate Speech provides text-to-speech capabilities for voiceovers and narration. For video creators, Adobe has also introduced a web-based Firefly video editor, though this remains in private beta for now. For enterprise customers, Adobe announced Firefly Custom Models, entering private beta next month. This feature enables brands to train Firefly on their specific visual identity, ensuring AI-generated content maintains consistent brand styling. This comes alongside broader updates to Adobe's Gen Studio and Foundry platforms for enterprise-scale content creation and management. These tools collectively represent Adobe's push to integrate AI across the entire creative workflow, from initial concept to final delivery, spanning images, video, music, and speech. Shifting to hardware infrastructure, Foxconn has announced a major investment in AI computing power. The company's board has approved up to $137 billion for building an AI compute cluster and supercomputing center, with procurement scheduled between December 2025 and December 2026. According to Reuters, the investment will likely be based in Taiwan, though Foxconn hasn't officially confirmed the location. The company plans to use its own funds for this 12-month procurement initiative, which aims to expand its cloud computing platform and accelerate what they call 3 smart platforms. This move signals Foxconn's ambitions beyond manufacturing. As one of the world's largest contract electronics manufacturers, most famous for assembling Apple products, this investment suggests Foxconn is positioning itself to be a significant player in the AI infrastructure space. The timing aligns with the growing demand for specialized AI computing resources worldwide, and Foxconn's expertise in electronics manufacturing gives it a potential advantage in building and scaling these systems efficiently. Our third story takes us to Saudi Arabia, where Humain, backed by the Saudi Public Investment Fund, has launched Humain One, an ambitious new AI operating system. The announcement came at the Future Investment Initiative Conference in Riyadh, where CEO Tariq Amin described it as a true AI operating system to manage everything and anything you need. What makes Humain One notable is its focus on agentic AI, systems that can autonomously execute complex tasks across enterprise functions including HR, finance, and procurement. The system has already been deployed across parts of the Saudi government and in pilot programs with the Public Investment Fund. Humain has secured some impressive partnerships, including Google, and is finalizing a deal with AWS. For inference processing, the computational heavy lifting that powers real-time AI interactions, Humain has partnered with Groq. Jonathan Ross, Groq's CEO, emphasized the system's responsiveness, calling it inference that keeps up with human thought. The company has global ambitions, planning a dual listing on Saudi and Nasdaq exchanges within 3 to 4 years. What's particularly interesting is Humain's Arabic-first approach, filling a gap in the market for sophisticated AI systems optimized for Arabic language and cultural contexts, though they're clearly planning a global rollout. An unnamed chip supplier is reportedly considering investing in Humain, which could further strengthen their hardware capabilities as they scale. This launch represents another significant step in Saudi Arabia's efforts to diversify beyond oil and establish itself as a technology hub through its Vision 2030 initiative. Together, these developments highlight the continuing expansion of AI across creative tools, infrastructure, and enterprise operating systems, with both established tech players and emerging companies making significant moves to shape the future landscape. Thank you for listening to AI Convo Cast. Please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Thanks and hope to see you again next time.